Testing. Hey, can you all hear me? Just testing first.
Yeah.
Why am I so tiny over here? Testing. Hey.
Thank you.
No.
Hi guys. Okay, I'm back. Can you guys hear me now? Hello everyone. Okay, good. Okay, just now my bot come and help me check the setting. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinars. Okay, so today we're going to talk about support and resistance, but today we're gonna deep dive into like channel line and I think trend line. Okay, I think last like 2 weeks ago we did like support and resistance overlap, support overlap resistance, I believe. Okay, let me pull out. Like I just mentioned the first few webinar at the beginning of the 2025 that will be suitable for like the beginner. Okay, if you are advanced or you are experienced trader, okay, it's just good for you to like refresh some of the like how to draw support and resistance. I believe that is like the fundamental. If you want if you want to trade, right, you need to know how to identify the support and resistance correctly. You just give me a few minutes. Okay. Anyone of you guys sell gold? Anyone of you guys short gold? Any? I think price already falling. Okay, we will look at the chart later. Okay, shall we start? I believe everyone is already here. Nice to see you. Hello, Charles. Is this I pronounce your name correctly? Okay, shall we start? Okay, so before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. This is marketing communication and does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or an investment recommendation. Okay, and risk warning over here. Trading forex and safety carry a high level of risk to your capital, and you should only trade with the money you can afford to lose. Trading forex and safety may not suitable for investors, so please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and seek independent advice if necessary. Please release and ensure you fully understand our risk disclosure. Okay. And speaker today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. If you guys have been following, I think been doing the webinar for IC Market like close to 2 years. Okay, maybe if you have time, just maybe go back and search like certain topic. If not, then we can learn together. Just come enjoy the live trading section. Okay, basically today we're going to cover trend line and dynamic support and resistance, channel line, technique for identify support and resistance, trading strategy using support and resistance and line analysis. Okay, so we will use the trend line and the dynamic support and resistance if uptrend or upward trend line. So basically upward trend line will act as the support. It represents minimum price, and the minimum price and security is likely to fall. So this is going to be like uptrend, right? If you were to look at the chart, it will have to make a okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You know that is an uptrend, so you will draw the bullet trend line that the below here. Okay, the significant trend line, either bullish or bearish, that should have at least 3 touches. Okay, for the downward trend line or bearish, okay, the downward trend line act as the resistance. It represents the maximum price security is likely to rise. So you need to draw the trend line, the top of the price. If you look at the chart, you will know the price on downtrend, they make a lower low, lower high. Okay. Okay, so for example here, okay, if you were to look at our chart for gold based on head-forward time frame, you will see that price is on uptrend, right? Because there is a trend line over here. Okay, this is our upward trend line or bullish trend line, either one you want to call it. You will see here we connect 1, 2, and 3. This is our significant trend line. And you were to look at market structures, you will know that price is make a higher high, higher low, right? This is here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, it's on uptrend. So this is uptrend. What if there's a downwards or bearish? Okay, you need to draw from where, maybe go down to the lower time frame to H4 or maybe H1. You need to connect the trend line, which is here. This is your bearish trend line, right? It's acting at the resistance. It is like selling, try to push the price down. Okay, easy for you to see that price on downtrend because lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And after that, you see this significant touches 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, right? When a price approaching or okay reaching the resistance, you will see that the rejection or the wick, right? The wick, and it's here is the wick here. So you could sell here. Remember that we will combine with resistance. I think like 2 weeks ago we have the webinar for support and resistance, right? How to draw. You will see that this also have the confluence or line up with our the resistance level here. Okay, you see that here, right? That's why you would say you would sell at this level. There is a trend line, bearish trend line. You look at market structures. Okay, we combine with the resistance level, and over here, do you see what do you see? Like you could sell here because they also have bearish or the block or bearish in gap is here. So this is gonna be your sell zone, right? It's here to here. So it's gonna so you're going to draw the zone. Okay, this is gonna be the sell zone that you're looking for. So one price, okay, make a lower low, lower high, pull back here. Okay, and you can see that they create the bearish engulfing candle. Price pull back up again and confluent with our trend line. There's a bullish or the block here. Okay, pull back to the zone and then you continue to sell and then you hold, right? You can see the rejection and price gonna close above. So this is how you trade the trend line. Of course, you cannot trade based on any one trend line. Okay, you should find a confluence with like either Fibonacci level, support and resistance, or those like resistance or support is a bullish or bearish of the block, like this is for example. Okay, continue. Now we need to identify the horizontal support and resistance. Basically just a sideways. So basically horizontal support, which is price just within the range, right? This is the support basically, and this is the resistance. Basically this is the sideways. It will look like, yeah. So we have the trend line and now we have a horizontal line, which is I remove first. Okay, no, I cannot remove that, or I just go back to our use goal. It's here. You would identify, okay, this is the resistance based on here. Okay, gold consolidated since when November 26 until December 9 before they the break above this trend line here. Okay, so you see this is the resistance and this is our support, the wick here, right? Okay, and of course if you would to draw, you would highlight the zone, which is this is the wick and the body. You say that price was just ranging, right, or sideways here based on head 4 time frame, which is here within the block here, right, before they decided to break, okay, above here and rising to where, to here, to the resistance level. Do you see the resistance here? Remember that one price at the resistance, which is here. Okay, you need to know how to look at the candle head 4 time frame. You will see your price action, which is here, right? And this is gonna be our resistance zone, which is at the wick and the body here, right? The wick in the body, I will just draw here. You can see that your price action here, and this candle price try to push above, right? And there's a rejection here, okay, right? And then you can like sell. What if you go to the lower time frame to look for the confirmation somewhere around this zone? At the lower, if you want to look for the confirmation, remember that you need to wait for market structure shift, meaning that if price in the lower time frame, they want to continue to go bullish, basically, right? They need to make the higher high, higher low continue, okay? But one price at the resistance zone or resistance level, okay, you will see that price is make a, this is a previous low, they make a new low right here. Okay, instead of, you can see that this is your market structure shift here, or chain of character, either you say. You wait for price either to pull back somewhere around this zone, and then you continue to sell. If you did not sell here, because you want to wait for market structure shift, and then you need to wait for price to make a new low here, pull back as the zone, that would be somewhere here with Fibonacci level, or at least align with QM. Either you want to like QM, or you would say that this one will be your left shoulder. It should be head. You wait for your right shoulder somewhere around here. And then at least pull 50 to 61.8% fib level. Okay, you want to see that I will pull back, right, in the lower time frame. Now you could sell. Okay, this is M15, so you wait for price to pull back within the zone. Okay, for the smaller time frame, your entry should be at least 50 to 78.6%. Oh, okay, so you can see that you will re-enter here, right? And then you sell, okay? Anyone still don't know how to look at the lower time frame to find the entry? This is I explained to you already. Continue. Okay, so back to the to the chart first here. Okay, so back to H4, right? They break above this sideways or ranging, break above. Now we get another entry right here. Okay, anyone like for since like November 2026 last year, okay, until December, like first week December, you can like buy, sell, buy, sell somewhere around here in the H4 time frame, because it was ranging, okay, or sideways. Okay, we continue. So now we're going to identify the support resistance level, like I say, uptrend, or upward trend line support. Connecting to me significant at least have to be 3 touches. Why? Because if you draw the trend line, okay, based on only like 2 touches in your chart, you have like so many trend line. For example, you will just draw maybe one here, you let one here, then another one is like maybe you connect, then you say it's like maybe it's here. So you wouldn't know that. So which trend line you're going to trade? Is it going to be one? No, it is not. Then you keep moving. Like there's so many trend line, you just pick like 2 dot. Only like for example, like you're starting to draw the trend line, starting to have only 2 touches, and then you draw already. It will look like this. For example, maybe like right here, I will go to the lower time frame. Just for example, okay. So you see here, your 2 trend line you will draw, like maybe here, for here. Then you may have another, you may draw, for example, another trend line here. Then you wouldn't know which trend line you're going to use, right? At least have to be significant 3 touches, and then you draw the trend line. Okay, that is clear for you guys. Don't forget, if you want to trade this year, look for your price action. There's a lot of price action happening where at the key level, which is support and resistance, you know your price action. The PA, if you said if I say PA, meaning the price action, a lot of your price action here. Okay, this is your key level, right? You will see that this is the price action here, where this is your resistance level, your resistance, this is the wick in the body. Okay, this is your resistance zone, your price action here, right? And then you can sell. Okay, downward trend line as well. You will see that downtrend, the same one. You can trade with the retrade or like breakout. Okay, you will trade the breakout, which is, you can see this is, for example, down bearish trend line. Okay, it's breakable. You wait for pullback and then you buy. How? You want to trade with the breakout. For example, I think that is a goal. For example, is anybody sell here? I already have 100 pip. Okay, I already move first. For example, there is a trend line here. If we just draw like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my, before it broke below. This is due to be the bullish trend line, right? Then you can see that price is close, like break below. You wait for price to pull back and then you sell, which is at this level or this zone is due to be our support, right? It's here. This is a green one, right? Is, I'll just put it here. So okay, this is my support zone. I draw from where? I draw from, you can the body and the wick. Okay, so this is going to be the zone. Okay, so that's why we buy up, and I would identify this my support level, or we could combine with what? Fibonacci, which is at where? Maybe I just pick this is, I don't know, which is here, 38.2% fib level, right? So it's gonna be our support zone. So we buy up. Since we buy up here, I might have to go to the lower time frame. I will consider to sell. Okay, so you buy because of the trend line. Okay, we go backward again. Go to H4, H1. Now, continue. Boom, right? You will see the price is break below here. So, but since this is gonna be our zone, right? It's gonna be our zone for the support level here. You might have to pull out the eye that you want to see. Okay, price is okay, break below 50. And then if you want to see that, hey, is this okay if we want to buy at this support level, because one, price already break below your trend line here, so this one you might have to change to red, because okay, here, right, if you want to buy again at this level, what you want to see in the lower time frame is that either rejection, like chart pattern, or in the lower time frame. But to me, you want to look at higher time frame on the M15 market structures, you will know that you need to look for the sell entry here. Why? Because the market structure is changing already, right? Before that, price make a, like, you know, the on uptrend like here, right? You can see that make a higher high, higher low, up to like here, continue to go higher. But now this is their high, right? This is the high here, and then they start to make a lower low, lower high. This is the trend line. That's why you see the like pullback. Now they break below in the lower time frame. Zoom here to see, right? So in this zone, you need to wait for confirmation. You could buy up, but again, price break below already. Market structure change here. Let's just wait for the confirmation. Let's see. You see, in the M5, right, we're not gonna buy from here because why? You can see the candle. Okay, you can go to higher time frame, look at H1 candle, red, meaning that there is a selling pressure here, so you should not buy at this level. Okay, because the momentum is a bearish already based on H1. Go back to M5 again. So if this candle close below the box with red one, if you buy, you should cut loss. Okay, you see, you bounce and bounce, then you want to see, you see that bounce here, able to see like that. I'm not gonna hold. Okay, I go to the higher time frame, which is M15, rejection. But this one, M15 is a support, right? Break below, pull back, it become your resistance. So you shouldn't hold your buy entry. If you're to buy here, price pull back for you here, you should either close with break even or you just cut loss. Okay, continue to see. Go back. If you were to go up here, you think, oh, I think price going to rise. Then after that, price is falling again. So now, where your stop loss? If you buy at this level, price go up here, it's about 40 pip, and then reverse again. If they're going to reverse from this level, in the lower time frame, they will show you the either the build pattern or equal low, like they will like make like that, pull back and continue to go higher. Okay, but if this one close below, you need to, if we hit your stop loss, which is here, I just see, right? If we hit your stop loss, okay, if you try to time it, hit the stop loss, and now what you see now, boom, right? This one hit stop loss. If we put too tight, like this 20, you might have to put at least like 26.99. It will hit, right? If you want to see like that, let's say if you layer price pull back here, you need to exit your trade, because you need to look at a higher time frame as well. H1, now H1 create what now? They create the supply zone now based on H1 time frame, which is this one. It used to be your support or demand, now it's become your sell entry. So this is gonna be your sell entry pullback, you're gonna sell. So this one is from green, it become red. Okay, so now you need to wait for price to pull back here, you're gonna sell. So from buy entry, it become your sell. You know, right? You will see that price pull back, and then it's like that, meaning that it's my break. Okay, just continue and see. Okay, and now I think it's already starting to get sideways here. So from this one, right, if I were to trade based on like drop breakdown, I might sell here, I might get a stop loss based on like this H1 trade setup. If stop loss, my stop loss will be just slightly above this this high, I will get a stop loss. And then you can see that the resistance break above, pull back, okay, and then you buy up if his stop loss here. Okay, alright, continues. Any questions so far? Now with the channel line, so basically channel line I either just be in the range, okay, but if you want to draw the channel line, okay, it have to be at least like 2 touches, but that doesn't have to be like, you know, close to each other. The trend line have to be at least 3 touches, right? For the channel line is 2 only. If you look like this, now gold is within the bullish channel line here, right? I will change the color. Okay, now see it within bullish, so I will touch here 1, 2, should be here is okay, and the upper in here, okay, 1, 2, 3. So this is a bullish channel line. You could see that within the bullish channel line here, you will see that this is your resistance here, right? If you were to combine here, it's your resistance level. If you were to trade, you will get entry where 78.6%, and this is gonna be your sell zone. You will get the sell entry here, right? And you will see that within the bullish channel line, this is your the resistance level, support level, right? This is your support level here. Soon for you guys to see, which is here, right? And then it's also converged with from the resistance break above to resistance level 78.6% upper channel line. Okay, you can see after that is pull back or reverse from here, from the resistance. Now it become your overlap, pull back support. Now it become your overlap support level, and then you can see the price is rising, break above your this level, right? Resistance break above because of this one, go find another next resistance, which is here. Is here. This is your second resistance. If this one identify your first resistance, break above to find resistance right here. Okay, and stretch back to the back. This is gonna be your resistance zone. So how I get an entry here? This is the resistance level, right? Of course, over here there is a Fibonacci confluence, which is we have 127 extension. Anybody get the entry here, and you have what? Projection. That will be 61.8 projection. So this is gonna be your sell zone, which is right here, right? Just now, right? And that's why you sell here. You get like more than 100 pip, right? So this is your entry. And do you see the lovely your price action in a lower time frame? Yes, this is here. Okay, so you can see that. So this is your zone sell. Okay, so now what you can see, price break below. Do you think that price is going to pull back? Maybe pull back here and then continue to sell. We don't know, right? We need to wait. Look at H1. So now H1 closing with belly in gap, right? So price may come back to this zone again, and then you may consider to sell. Okay. So this is a bullish channel. What about the bearish? It's just opposite. So basically, how you draw? Where's my? Okay. Let's say here 2 channel, which is here 2 touches. This is gonna be like 2 touches here, but it's not very nice. Let me see. That will be like that. Okay, 2 touches, and I'll just stretch here. Even if you want to draw, but it's not very like the bearish channel line or downward. Okay, over here you want to identify that, okay, price still I think this is not very nice. Okay, I'm not gonna draw this one. Let me look for another pair. Maybe this. Right, the wick, the trend line channel. Okay, or just look at market structure. They make a lower low, lower high, right, within the channel. Okay, and what you could see, when we draw, okay, price is break, you know, above here. So you want to wait for price to break above and pull back, and then you can buy up. In the H1 time frame, this one is your kind of like support level here. So to me, I may miss an entry if I were to put here for my like support level, like here. Let's say you able to identify my like support level here. Okay, seems like, okay, price break above and this is close above, pull back. Okay, if you put a pending order, I will miss by a few p because you can see that it's not trigger. You could combine with your fib bowl, that will be maybe 50%. Sorry, 61.8. Okay, like slightly over here. Let's say price will miss, go back up, but you will get where you get an entry here. Okay, you can see that you get an entry as trigger toward your TP. The TP usually you should aim for this resistance level. This one you miss, rejection, rejection, falling. Okay, trigger if you want the pending order here. Of course, if you go to the lower time frame, what do you see? Either if you want to wait for confirmation, right, you can go to M5 or M15. You will see your confirmation rejection plus bullish divergence here. Okay, you will see that. Then you buy up, and then you buy up if you hit your take profit, which is at this candle, right? You will see like how many pip. It's about 35 pip. Based on H1, and you go to M15 to look for the confirmation. Okay, because after it's just ranging, right? But you can see the price is break above or close above the bearish channel line here. And another one, okay, how you know that they're going to break above? You look here based on H1 time frame. You look at the candle. One price is like stalling or cannot close below this, like their support level, right? You can see that price like came back a few times. Okay, you can see the rejection, and H1 price ending with barely engulfing candle here. Anyone confused like, hey, then how I know whether I want to buy or sell? Like so many, so confusing. No, the first one is you need to know how to look at the key level first. Like, you know, where is the support and where is the resistance, and then after that you can combine with trend line or channel line here. Okay, you look for market structure. If you don't look at channel line here, you will know that price is on bearish. It's a bearish trend, right? Because you will see like they make a lower low, like lower high, and this is you would identify. You would say that this is gonna be your like support, break above become the resistance. Okay, break above, now it become your support, right? You can see that. And then after that sideways, it was ranging here first, then H1 time frame close below here because I think there is some news. Okay, you can see that broke below here all the way to where combined with already oversold, right? And they cannot go below this level. This one in H4, that will be the support level here, like here, right? The support level. Now right now, if you are still using, this is your buy entry. From the support become the resistance or pullback again. So if you want to sell, if you want to buy, I think this level I'm not looking for. I'm waiting for price to pull at least around this level. Okay, like the sell entry. So my buy entry gonna be this level for the EU. Okay, you can see the rejection, but price gonna come here and look for, you can see the imbalance here, right? You can see the imbalance here. That I'm waiting at this zone. Is like up close to 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, this is gonna be the level here for the EU. Okay, here is the level that is break above. You may monitor. If you want to buy up here, you just have to see like lower time frame, market structures, or any confirmation. If you want to look here, M15, if this M15 close with bearish engulf, which is, you know, longer than red one, I may consider to buy. But the reason if I might buy here, I would take risks, right? Because I saw like a divergence here. No, the divergence is not very nice, so I'm not confident to buy at this level. I can wait. Okay, you can see that divergence still, but the market structure is still lower high. At least they want to go, they should go like that, break above, pull back here, and we buy somewhere around here. So this one you need to wait first if you want to buy at this level, but I kind of wait at this level, like the red box here. Okay, any questions, guys? I pause here for a while. Any question, or so far so good, guys? Okay, continue. Okay, we'll wait here. All right, wait over here. This is just a monitor. Okay, you will see. Now, confluence, which I already explained. Okay, I already explained how to find the confluence of support and resistance level. You need to find a confluence with like multiple either support and resistance, or confluence with Fibonacci. Okay, or the trend line. Okay, just find the multiple confluence that will give you a very strong level. Strong signal as well. One price is approaching or reaching at the key level. In the lower time frame, you see the rejection. You could combine with the RSI as well. RSI, they will help you to, like, you know, you can combine with like overbought also, and like, you know, rejection or price action chart pattern. Okay, divergence, you could combine that as well. Okay, and you use like candlestick pattern, which I just say that either bullish reversal. Okay, you will see like either bullish engulfing candle at the support signaling a potential reversal, which I just show you, right? Do you guys know how to look for bullish and bearish engulfing candle? You should know. Did you create the bullish or bearish or the block? Okay, it look the same. Okay, bearish reversal as well. The pattern like bullish engulfing candle at the resistance such as potential downward or downturn, or here. Okay, that's a new term here. Will ending with bearish engulfing, right? We know that there is a reversal. If price come back here to the value of the block, you may consider to sell, like pull back up, like pull back here and then you sell, but did not pull back, that is okay. Okay, likely gonna break. You wait for this level. Bullish engulfing is happen where at the support level. Lovely. Go, which is where? It's here. Okay, at this level, this is your any with bullish engulfing candle, so this is your buy zone, so it's gonna be your buy zone. Okay, the buy zone here, you will see that price is coming just slightly below here, rejection and rising. So you need to, the next day you need to what? You need to buy, right? And this one you need to buy, which is you can see here. One thing I want to tell you guys, look ahead for time frame. This is our support zone based on daily time frame. H4 did not closing with bearish engulfing, right? Bullish engulfing candle, but look, you need to wait for one candle. She's right here. It's here to close, right? You can see two candle engulf this candle, so you could buy. But if you want to buy, you need to wait for price to pull back, because if you buy here, like this candle close, and then you buy, opening price is here, right? You will see that price is pull back. If you want to opening here, closing here, these are opening, right? These are opening. Oh. Like this is opening. If you want to buy here, you might get stop loss, or you will see the price pull back. So you need to go where? You need to go to the lower time frame. Okay, you need to go to the lower time, either M5, M15 to wait for price to pull back. So in M15, what do you see? Lovely, your price action is here. I believe there is a divergence, no divergence, but it's okay. Lovely, your price action. Price is break below this high, right? Lower low, lower high, make a high, new high here. Market channel character here, or market structure shift here. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to wait for price to pull back, and then you buy up. Okay, if you buy here, price will pull back. Most of the time, you go and see at least 50 to 61.8. Or you will say that, okay, if price come to this level, slightly above here, there is a bullish or the block here. Let's see. You look for. So if it don't come in the box, meaning what are you touching sideways? I go to M15 to see. Okay, meaning that if they not come, you can monitor. This is their level, right? But I still wait at this zone. Okay, let's see. Okay, they come, right? Okay, they come here. This one, if you have one order here, it's just about a few pips below. Okay, they come to this zone where at least 50, right? This zone, and you're rising, so you could enter or layer in the lower time frame, which is this. Enter somewhere around here, right? You can see that. And you will see that your price action is here, so you can like buy at this level, and then after that you hold, right? You need to hold. After that, you know, rising, falling. After that, you like, if you happy the profit, to close first. Okay, if you know how to if you want to like hold, either here you have a few order, you close some, and then after that you just hold. Okay, you can go back to the higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame is still ranging in H1, right? And then you will see after that rising toward to the moon, right? At least M15 target here first, TP, TP2 or TP1 up to you. You were to buy here, right? Sideways, suddenly break to your profit right there, and then continue to go higher. The suddenly will pull back. Why? Because this is a resistance in the lower time frame, but go to a higher time frame. What do you see that? Bullish, right? This is their resistance level. That's why they pull back. The next zone here, you may continue to sell with this one. Let's see. It break above here. You sell here, it might get stop loss because this demand it's not work. From this one, it become pullback resistance. They fly high, all the way higher. Now keep higher already, so I stop. If price did not come here, so it's okay. And you go to the higher time frame, you will see that it seems like they break above. This used to be your sell entry, right? But it's break above, pull back, and then you buy up. If you were to hold here, you will see that you buy, and then you just keep toward the next resistance level. Okay? No question? Okay. They will be finishing soon. I think it will be okay, I'll put this on. You know that we buy low, sell high. This one already know that, so I don't want to go too much on this slide. Identify for breakout of support resistance, like confirmation. Like I said that if you want to wait for confirmation, you need to go to the lower time frame, right? You can use the volume, but usually I use the price action the most, combined with Fibonacci or retest price option trade broke level before continuing the trend. Either you wait for confirmation or retest. Okay, that is all for today, guys. Okay, that is end. We still have like 10 minutes. Okay, so you can request if you have any pair you want me to have a look for you, but since I'm already here, should we just look at our lovely go first? Okay, I will highlight same. This is my resistance level. Okay, I will zoom for you guys to see the resistance we sell. That is extension 127. There is 161.8 for the projection. So this gonna be our sell zone, right? Okay, so now there is a divergence as well. Okay, for H1. So you wait for price to pull back, then you find the sell entry. I will go to the lower time frame to look for the entry. The next resistance, which is here. Okay, now if price pull back here, I may consider to sell. Okay, within this order block here. So in the M15, you need to pull back. The stop loss you just put above the swing high. Okay, at least have to pull back where within the red box, the bull box, within like this level, or at least like somewhere here. So this one should start to have some order in like this box. Okay, like if they pull back, you could sell. Okay, oh, you could sell. Would target here at least this level for your take profit, or maybe we just put at like the recent low, which is here, for scalping, like here. Okay, if you did not have the entry over here, so you wait for price to pull back, here. So you were to see that, don't chase the market. You were to see, okay, Peggy say we wait here, but you're very impatient. You think like, oh, it seems like price is going to fall, so you don't know, you scared FOMO already, so you just sell now. So that is your own risk. Okay, you don't care, you sell now, and then after that price will pull back here. Why? Because there is a bearish order block right here, so you just wait. Okay, anyway, by the engulfing candle, price pull back here, you may consider to sell. Okay, okay guys, so this is the level for gold. Okay, this is still within like the zone, right? I will just do H1 trade setup for you. You wait for price to pull back. This is the sell, like the sell zone, or like seen below here. It's about 50 pips, so you need to wait for price to pull back, then you sell. Okay. This is H1 setup. I will put here for my second support. This is for H1. Okay, you see price pull back already, you wait first. Okay, then we sell somewhere around here. We go to you see H1 or M5, right? Now it's ranging, you wait for price to pull back within this zone. Okay, and then you sell. Okay, any pair before I end the webinar? We have like 5 minutes. Anyone? You guys still with me, or I did not see any comment? Okay, gold is rising, so now, okay, just be patient. I will sell around this zone. Okay, like this zone. Where is the price? Manage your lot size, manage your risk. Like seen here. Okay, pull back 27, 24 to 27.29 or 27.30, you can start selling. Okay, any pair before I end the webinar, guys? No one request? Okay, so gold is right here. Okay, okay, look at BTC before I end. Okay, BTC yesterday divergence here. What is happening? So today you're gonna look for the sale, right? Price action, sell. You can see this demand bounce off. I would identify this is the first support, and this is my second support. This is the resistance. How to apply ATR? I teach you guys already how to apply ATR. It depends on the on the time frame, there is quite a few strategy for you to using ATR. Okay, just a quick one. For example, like if you enter, like just say you I don't want to talk about BTC. Let's just maybe go. You need to pull out what ATR, right? I still have time now, 2 minutes. Okay, after this I'm heading home, guys. Okay, just use average true range. Okay, so if based on M15, you hover over here, you will see that your ATR is about 3.32, right? About 3.4 or 3. Some, like you look here. Okay, hover over. Let's say if you buy since like if you buy like over here, let's say price coming, you buy maybe like this where is my long, if I like this one close, right? I will to buy somewhere around here, for example. Okay, where you're gonna put the stop loss, you plus where you enter. If you were to enter at like look here 1.9 where is the price, 27.21, and then you plus the ATI here. They're gonna be your stop loss. Okay, you plus 3.281, then you put the stop loss below, and then you take profit. You can just bet on the, this is like one ATR, which is here, right? You look here. Okay, I think I did a webinar about ATR before. Okay, you can go back and refer, but if not, just watch out for the the upcoming webinar. There might be like ATR. This divergence. Okay, this is a valid divergence. You see price falling already based on M15 a few times here. Okay, you can see lovely price action. Then you could sell just now, right? Price touching here, you could sell. Okay, all right guys, lovely. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I will see you guys again to be next Tuesday. Okay, next Tuesday gonna be the education section. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Happy trading. We'll see you again next week. You're welcome. Okay, so 2025 we will earn more, right? Be better than 2024. We all together. Alright guys, bye for now. Take care.